Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be starting back my liquid lipstick review videos. So I have like a couple of liquid lipsticks to do a review for you guys, so let's get it. So I'm really excited for today's one because I've honestly had this in my vanity table for like the longest time, like probably like 3 months at this point, and I've not used it at all because that's how loyal I am to this video. Like, I'm crazy. But this is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick. I'm so excited. I bought this shade because I remember I tried it on my lips, like just to see how the color would look like, and it was like the perfect nude for me. So I was like, yes bitch, I'm getting this. Just to let you guys know, I'm already kind of late for work, so I will like just put on the liquid lipstick, like you know how I feel it on, and then that's it. Like anything to do with the liquid lipstick, like what it says at the back, anything like that, I will do it in my second check-in. But it's in the shade Cool Girl, and as you guys can see, the packaging is absolutely cute AF. Like, I love it. Like, I have this on my vanity is like the cutest thing ever. I'm just gonna shake up the bottle a little bit so to make sure that there's no separation. I'm just gonna apply that onto my lips. I don't remember if it has a smell because like I said, I only used it when I wanted to see how the color was like on my lips. The smell is very faint. Like, it smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like cookies, I guess you could say, but like really faint cookies, like super duper faint. So yeah, now I'm gonna apply that on my lips.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in.
So it is completely dried on my lips and it looks so good. It still feels really comfortable. It does not have that like sticky feeling. Like, it's not sticky at all. Not like the Huda Beauty one. That one was shit crazy as sticky. This one is more like a nice formula. This really reminds me a bit like ABH. I feel like this is a bit more like lightweight. Like the ABH one is very creamy, but this one's like more liquidy. It does settle into my fine lines a little bit, but not crazy or anything like that. So this is how the lip look like on me. So as you guys can see, it does settle into my fine lines a little bit, but that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty close to my natural lip color, only that obviously this one is like more cool tone. That I would not be able to see like how my actual lip color is like. So I don't know if I need a double layer, but I don't think so because it still looks really good. So yeah, it's currently 9:35 a.m. I'll get back to you guys in about 6 hours from now. Hey guys, so it's currently 5:02 p.m. and the last time I wore this liquid lipstick, it was like 9:30. And then I'm back. I told you guys I'll be back at like 4 and then change of plans. I met my cousin. So basically, I've had this liquid lipstick on since like 9:30. So it's almost about 8 hours, about 7.5 hours. One thing I have to say is it stayed comfortable throughout the entire day, which is like bomb. I love it. I love how it stayed so comfortable and I didn't feel like, it just does not feel sticky. It feels comfortable and moisturizing and just not drying. I did reapply it, but I have to say, if I didn't reapply it, it would have still looked really good, but also because, you know, like it matches my lip color, so it's kind of cheating. Basically I eat Chewy Junior, and if you guys have ever eaten Chewy Junior, if you live in Singapore or like in countries where they sell Chewy Juniors, Chewy Junior is like really soft and there's like cream inside. So when you like bite into it, right, and you have to like tear that thing, like I'm saying like it's such a violent food, but like you kind of like have to tear it. So when you tear it, like obviously your lip is going to like suck it all out. So it was like a little bit in my inner part of my lips were gone, but other than that, the whole entire lip still looked good. Like, I met my cousin, as I said, right, and she was saying like, no, if you had not eaten that, your lips still look perfect after wearing it for like 6 hours, and it still looked perfect. It does not look too dry, nothing like that. It does not feel overly dry after I reapplied it. It does not feel like I put like a layer. That's how, like, you know when you put a layer of liquid lipstick, you know your lips will start to crumble, like the liquid lipstick will start to crumble and like you'll have a lot of dryness. It did not happen for this, which I'm like, oh, yes bitch. I'm gonna do a kiss test. So a little bit of transfer, but I mean it's kind of expected at this point because I did a double layer. So sometimes when it's double layer, like it will just like get like thicker, and then the liquid lip is like more prone to transfer. But even after it transfers, it's not like to the point the whole lip color is gone, you know what I mean? It's like what I've heard about a Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick. If you guys want me to do a review on that, let me know in the comment section and by liking this video, because I'll do that for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys my lip up close. So this is how my lips look. It still looks really, really good in my opinion, at least. Fine lines were like, it was there since like morning. So overall, I've had it on for 7.5 hours. Reapplied a little bit once just because I was eating Chewy Junior. I have not had my lunch yet. I'm gonna have my lunch after this. So maybe after my lunch, I will let you guys know again how it goes. But I just want to do a second check-in first to let you guys see. Probably the last check-in will be like another half an hour. And all I'll be talking about is if the liquid lipstick actually lasts throughout me eating. Because I'll be eating KFC. Like I can just like I can taste it in my mouth right now, and I'm like, oh, I want to eat it so bad. How I feel about KFC. So I'm gonna read you guys what it says at the box. It says that it's a matte color. Oh shit. So it says that our innovative formula glides over lips like a gloss, agree, but dries an ultra matte opaque finish, agree. Infused with a no sting plumping filler. So ensures color always look rich, full and kissable, never dry, shrivel or cracked. I agree with that 100%. Well, maybe not lah, but like not shriveled lah, but like you go into my fine lines, so like volulip gives a plumping smoothing effect. Oh, okay, not smoothing, that's a lie because it seeps into my fine lines. Like lightweight, very lightweight, and long wearing formula. Features avocado oil, vitamin E, and hyaluronic filling spheres. Oh, no wonder I love it. Hyaluronic. You guys know my favorite lip balm is the hyaluronic acid lip gel. Bitch. Okay, so the Too Faced liquid lipstick you can find on Sephora Singapore for $33. It has like a bunch of shades, and I definitely plan on getting more because they feel so good on the lips and like it's so pretty, so it's so nice on my vanity. I'm gonna have my lunch now and then I'll come back and then you guys can see how the liquid lipstick looks, and then if it's probably gonna be gone because let's be honest, I'm a messy eater. I will try. Keyword try. And I'll see you guys after my lunch. Hey guys, so if I'm looking like an oily mess because it's currently 6:56 p.m. I've had this liquid lip for 9.5 hours now. I did not touch up. Remember, I ate KFC, so it was oily, girl. It was oily. I'm not seeing how my lips look like, but I don't know, so far like when I was taking videos of myself because I'm so self-obsessed, the liquid lipstick still look really, really good. So let's see. Now that I'm really looking at it up close, like the inner part of my lips are like totally gone. Control your animals! My upper lip also, but like very, very minute. It's not that bad. By the way, if my lighting looks... control your animal I'm gonna just zoom you guys in. So as you guys can see, definitely the inner corner of my lips are like totally gone. Just out here a little bit, just very, very little. So like I said, it's probably because it matches my lip almost perfectly, that's why you cannot really see a difference. But if I was like using like a dark red lip or a purple lip or an orange lip, you guys will probably see the difference. Like, so I'm gonna reapply the liquid lipstick and see how it is after a third layer. Okay, so I just reapplied it. We're gonna wait for it to dry down. But yeah, why I would give it like a 10 out of 10, because one, it's super accessible here in Singapore. You can get it at Sephora Singapore. It's only $33. I know a lot of you guys might be like, girl, $33 is really expensive. It is, but you have to consider Too Faced is a high-end brand, and if you were to get like ABH or Jeffree Star, like Kylie lip kits, or Kat Von D. Kat Von D is also around the same price, so it's still a liquid lipstick. So according to that, I really like the fact that it's, you know, more affordable in that kind of sense. Like, not affordable, but it's at the average pricing, so I think it's okay. It lasts all day. It's super comfortable on the lips. Even on the second time I applied it on, it wasn't too dry and it wasn't flaking off, which is the most important thing to me. And it's a very lightweight formula with like, and it dries to a really nice matte finish without feeling disgusting and sticky. Okay, so I'm just gonna like press my lips together. A bit sticky, but I talk a lot and I don't feel it like the Huda Beauty. I could feel it. It feels a little bit heavy, nothing that I can be like, I'm gonna do a kiss test. There's something here, so I'm gonna do a kiss test here. Obviously there's a transfer, not surprised because obviously this is the because this is obviously the third layer. Again, with the same way, it was just the outer corners that had most of it, and then the inner corners was very, very little. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know. Yeah, no. And I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you girls. Bye. Mwah.